Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
MLA jong ka Mawlai constituency uba proses di Lehkmen haka arpu kendai terik ubenai naitung arajar arpu ar ula Pynhap Pyrda ya ka Taïew Lehkmen jong ka Sacred Heart Girls Higher Secondary School Mawlai put muri haka ni ka sngi MLA ula samru iki khusnam shiki nongjob haka jingya kop thok poetry shna craft but kiwei haka jingdon ringkat i principal ikong Lydia Pala ki sisters ki nonghikai but ki khna school Hagani ka sngi ka school kala penlong ru ya ka jingya kop shat. Bala pen ipu iping ya ka sngi de ka jing ruai bat ki jing shat na ki kena school. Uba piti Lehkmen hagani ka sngi ula pliru ya ka kamera bala bu ya ki senteu bat ki jing draw ba harukom bala shna bat draw de ki kena school. Haba ai jing keren hashwa kani uba piti Lehkmen ula pen pau ya ka jing Lehkmen baka school ka yai beteng ban khot ngobha ya u bad ula ai khuble ya i principal jong ka school bad kumjo ro ya ka school hi baro ka wei. Ula pen pau ro ya ka jing kemen ba hadin arsnam bekila mat jing e bad bon ki wei ki jing ngosi naka klam COVID-19 mentala yo apat ban penlong ya ki program ba pair.
We are very much happy nowadays. Again, normalcy has come back. We have to thank God. The normalcy has come. School has functioned. College has functioned. University has functioned. Vehicles can fly. People can fly in the road. Plane can take off. Train can move from one destination to another destination. Then everyone has been taking it normal. We have to thank God. While coming from my house on the way, I remember that it was 2 years before research. The person that was spending more time of fighting, of requesting to God and asking God for if again, if there's this wish, again that heal will come back, that COVID-19 will die down, will go from this world. That is the person I may say that the fathers, sisters, religious leaders, they are spending more time. At a time when we face a problem of the COVID-19, everybody will become scared at the time. Again in these days, we saw that in our country, on a few cases, a monkeypox has come back. Even other parts of the country, around 16 around 75 countries, again monkeypox have been come back. But I'm sure that monkeypox, that is in the same way like COVID-19 will not come back in our state, in our nation. My dear students, and I'm sure that the last 3 days you have been participating in many of your activities. You have tried your best. You have tried your best to show about what you have in your mind. Be a part of any competition. But it is I'm sure that students have enjoyed. Teachers have enjoyed. I'm very thanks to the teachers because any function without the contribution, without the work hard, without the support, without the ideas of the teacher, function will not be a successful one. And I'm sure that teachers have worked so hard. We have to thank you because of your talented. You give God or given talent to the teacher. If it is a teaching, you try your best to give the best teaching. If it is in any program, I could see that you are the person that God has blessed. My appeal to all the students, that very important that from your side, again you get the opportunity of coming to school. 2020, 2021, 22. Many of the students have become regret because why I get it at the time, they said at the time when we get an opportunity of coming to school, appear exam, if it is class 12, if it is class 10, class 12 degree and others, we didn't study hard. We didn't feel very important because why? Because we didn't feel any problem. But the year COVID come, some students they said we are very regret. Even some of the parents have been at a time when they face a problem of 2 years, they feel regretted. Why? Because they said For many years, we cannot go to church. For many years, we have not given baptize to our children. We are regretted because 2 years we cannot go to church. What is it the time? My dear student, you have to study hard. You have to study. You are the fortunate children to come to school. Many of your friend, your close friend, they didn't get the fortune of coming to school because why? Parents are very poor, no job, no cash, no job, no cash, very difficult. That's the reason they cannot come to school, but you're very fortunate. My appeal to all the students of Pynhap Girls High Secondary School, you have to study. Don't waste your money of your parents. At the beginning of the school, while even the ends of the school, your parents have to take a loan from the bank, even from individual. How to spend about the school fees, how to spend about others, you get an opportunity. You get an opportunity, that's the reason that you have to work hard. This year, the year 2022, we have seen that the result is not up to the expectation of all of us. Because we face a problem of 2020-2022, we face a problem. Result is not up to expectation. If it is a class 10 we could see, especially we have seen that many those students from the girls have been get stuck. They cannot pass. Because why? Because of the COVID. Even here they face a problem. I'm sure that those students who prepare for the class 10, who have been here class 10 till now, and next year will prepare for exam, I'm sure that you'll do well. That you can do. What main important, it depends on your decision.
One supplement of the house. And third prize goes to Jessica from the house. Second prize, one supplement door, and third prize.
But nice to meet you. It's too light. One supplement door.